Hey everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. I have here another super interactive photo album. And of course, inspired by my favorite TV show, Friends, yay! Sorry for the noise in the background, that's my husband working the air something. Okay, air pump, I don't know. But anyway, so in another room, but yeah, I can still hear it. So, to get started, here, this frame. This is a resin frame, resin that I made. And these stickers I purchased and put them on this album. This is a Coffee and Friends paper collection, I think by Echo Park. It's very cute paper. And this is the back. Okay, and you can see there's a tie closure. Okay, so here I have, there's a guitar for Phoebe, Smelly Cat. Here is a tag. Slides back in there. This comes out. And here is a waterfall. And so you can put another picture here. And here on the top, this a long one. So, okay. Doing this one by one hand can be kind of weird. Okay, then I have this. This is, of course, the frame, the dog. We were on a break. And let's see, I'll pull this down a little bit. And then this flips open for that. So you can put pictures here if you'd like. And lots of pictures. Okay, and then here I have this. And like a little book here. So, that. Joey doesn't share food. And another thing at the top. And Chandler being 15 Yemen Road. That's when he tells Janice he's going to go to Yemen. Oh, it stopped. So more copy paper. Pivot. Oh, I love that. The duck. And when they went to Europe. And there's that. And then see, this opens up like this. And opens up like that. Ichiban. And then I have here let's see. That was funny. How you doing? Joey's call sign Unagi. Love that episode. And umbrella. Okay, and then here I have another Unagi. So here's that. And a tag that pulls out. And then you can stick something behind there. And Central Park. And Frankie Say Relax. And the famous couch. And that is the album. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this album, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button right down there. And leave me a nice comment. Thank you very much. And happy crafting. Later.